Welcome back to Air Crash Chronicles, the channel that dives deep into the world of aviation disasters, to honor the victims and shed light on crucial lessons learned. Today we explore the tragic story of International Korean Airlines Flight 007. Join us as we uncover the details of the accident, learn about the brave crew, remember the victims, and reflect on the lasting impact it has had on air travel safety. On that fateful day, September 1, 1983, Flight 007 was en route from Anchorage, Alaska to Seoul, South Korea. The Boeing 747-200, a majestic aircraft, was ready to carry its passengers across vast distances, but no one could have predicted the unforeseen turn of events that awaited them. Captain Chun Byung-In, a seasoned aviator, along with First Officer Kim Eui-Dong and Flight Engineer Suk-Hoon, formed the capable crew responsible for the safety of the flight. With their experience and training, they embarked on what they thought would be another routine journey. Tragically, this journey became a nightmarish experience for the 246 passengers and 23 crew members on board. Among them were individuals with aspirations, families hoping for joyful reunions, and ambitious travelers whose stories were abruptly cut short. As we remember the victims, we must also explore the aftermath of this tragic accident. Investigations revealed a catastrophic misunderstanding of airspace boundaries, leading the plane into a high-security area, crossing into Soviet Union territory. Amidst the confusion, tragedy struck. A solo fighter jet approached the Flight 007, mistaking it for a military aircraft. Without warning, missiles were launched, devastatingly ending the lives of all those on board. The aftermath of Flight 007's downing sent shockwaves throughout the world, exposing the gaps in communication systems and highlighting the dire need for improved navigation protocols. This tragic event motivated significant advancements in aviation safety, shaping the future of air travel. Today, thanks to the lessons learned from this catastrophe, we've seen substantial improvements in radar technology, comprehensive training programs for pilots and air traffic controllers, and enhanced international cooperation. As we pay our respects to the victims of Flight 007, we honor their memories and extend our deepest condolences to their families. Let us commemorate their lives by embracing the safety measures instilled in the aviation industry to prevent similar tragedies from occurring.